Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure power and connections are ready. This avoids interruptions during pairing. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone, unlock it, then power up your Apple Watch and put it on. Once done, watch for the blue pairing animation on the watch face. Make sure your iPhone shows the Apple Watch app or the pairing screen. You start the process now because a stable connection prevents data loss and speed setup, so don't skip these initial checks. You will use the camera pairing for accuracy. It's faster and reduces manual entry. Open the watch app, tap Start Pairing, then hold your iPhone over the watch so the animation centers in the viewfinder. Once recognized, follow prompts to choose Setup as New or Restore from Backup, pick Restore to keep previous settings, or New to configure fresh preferences. Make sure location, Siri, and diagnostic settings are reviewed because they control services like maps and voice commands during daily use. You finish by signing in with your Apple ID, creating a watch passcode, and selecting which apps to sync. Keep both devices close until sync completes. Once completed, test calls, notifications, and health data to confirm everything flows correctly. If something goes wrong, restart both the iPhone and Apple Watch, then retry the pairing. This resolves most connection glitches because it clears temporary network or Bluetooth issues. Finally, update iOS and watch OS if pairing repeatedly fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.